Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to refresh your bedroom and make it feel cozy, stylish, and more functional, this video is for you. Today, I'm sharing some of the best bedroom ideas you'll love this year. Whether you have a big space or a small one, these ideas will help you transform your bedroom into a relaxing and beautiful retreat. Your bedroom should be more than just a place to sleep. It should be a space where you can unwind, recharge, and truly feel at peace. The right colors, furniture choices, and small decor updates can make a huge difference. Whether you want a modern, minimalistic look or a warm, inviting atmosphere, there are plenty of ways to achieve it without spending a fortune. So grab your favorite drink, get comfortable, and let's get started. Choose a calming color scheme. The colors in your bedroom set the mood for relaxation. Soft and neutral tones like beige, soft gray, or warm pastels create a peaceful atmosphere that makes winding down at the end of the day easier. If you love bold colors, try deep greens, navy blue, or even a rich terracotta for a cozy and modern feel. These deeper hues add depth and character without feeling overwhelming. To keep things balanced, you can add accent colors through the pillows, blankets, or artwork. This way, you get a stylish space that reflects your personality without being too overpowering. Invest in good lighting. Lighting can completely change the feel of your bedroom. Instead of relying on a single overhead light, try layering different types of lighting for a warm and inviting look. Bedside lamps create soft ambient light, while wall sconces add a touch of elegance. LED strip lights behind your bed frame or along shelves can enhance the mood and make your space feel modern. If you love a cozy and dreamy atmosphere, fairy lights or dimmable bulbs can be the perfect addition. The right lighting setup makes your bedroom feel more comfortable, whether you're reading, relaxing, or getting ready for the day. Upgrade your bedding. Your bed is the centerpiece of your bedroom, so make it as inviting as possible. Investing in high-quality bedding makes a big difference in both comfort and aesthetics. Soft, breathable fabrics like cotton or linen not only feel luxurious, but also help regulate temperature for a better night's sleep. Layering with blankets and decorative pillows adds texture and makes your bed look effortlessly stylish. Choosing a neutral base for your bedding allows you to change up your decor with seasonal accents, giving your room a fresh look throughout the year. AD Smart Storage Solutions. A clutter-free bedroom instantly feels more relaxing and spacious. The key is to use smart storage solutions that keep everything organized without making the room feel crowded. Underbed storage bins, floating shelves, and storage benches are great for keeping extra bedding, clothes, or personal items out of sight. Baskets and decorative boxes can also help hide small items while adding a stylish touch to your decor. If your room is small, consider furniture with built-in storage, like beds with drawers or bedside tables with extra compartments. Keeping things tidy not only improves the look of your space, but also helps create a calming environment. Incorporate natural elements. Bringing natural elements into your bedroom can make the space feel fresh and inviting. Plants are one of the easiest ways to achieve this, adding color and life while improving air quality. A small potted plant on your nightstand, a hanging vine on a shelf, or even a large floor plant in the corner can instantly make your room feel more vibrant. If you're not great with plants, high-quality faux greenery can give you the same effect without the maintenance. Wooden furniture, woven baskets, and natural fabrics like linen or cotton also add warmth and texture, making your space feel more organic and cozy. Create a cozy corner. If you have extra space, setting up a cozy nook can make your bedroom feel even more inviting. A small reading corner with a comfortable chair, a soft throw blanket, and a side table creates the perfect spot to relax with a book or enjoy your morning coffee. If your space is limited, a simple floor cushion or a beanbag with a nearby lamp can create a similar effect. Adding a personal touch, like a scented candle or a small shelf with your favorite books, makes the space even more special. This little corner becomes a peaceful retreat where you can unwind whenever you need a break. Personalize your space. Your bedroom should reflect your personality and style. Adding personal elements makes the space feel warm and unique. Whether it's framed photos of loved ones, artwork that inspires you, or decorative pieces from your travels, these little details tell your story. A gallery wall with a mix of prints, posters, or framed quotes can add character without taking up too much space. Mirrors are also a great addition. They not only enhance the decor, but also make small rooms feel bigger by reflecting light. The goal is to create a space that feels like home, filled with items that bring you joy. Keep it simple and functional. A well-designed bedroom is both stylish and functional. Avoid overcrowding the space with too much furniture or excessive decor. Instead, focus on key pieces that serve a purpose while maintaining a clean and open feel. A minimalist approach doesn't mean your room has to be plain. Just make sure every element adds value, whether it's for comfort, storage, or aesthetics. A balanced layout with thoughtfully placed furniture ensures that your room remains easy to navigate and comfortable to spend time in. Conclusion, and there you have it, some of the best bedroom ideas you'll love this year. Whether you're making small changes or going for a full makeover, these ideas will help you create a space that's stylish, cozy, and perfectly suited to your needs. Your bedroom should be a place where you can relax and feel at home, so take the time to make it just the way you like it. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite bedroom idea? I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.